He who promised is faithful. Something would word the word lift up mine eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord. For with God nothing shall be impossible. Like Sarah waited and laughed again, is anything too hard for the Lord? You fulfilled your promise in her old age. You turned her waiting into dancing. Like Hannah poured out her soul before you, the Lord remembered her. Lord, remember every waiting mother. Remember every empty home today. Like Elizabeth carried away her reproach, the Lord has done this for me. The God who remembered them, remember me today. Lord, you are faithful. He who promised is faithful. Nothing is impossible with you, for with God nothing shall be impossible. I will not fear tomorrow. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. My miracle is coming, because you never fail. To every daughter waiting for marriage, remember Ruth in the fields of Bethlehem. You led her steps to Boaz, because the steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord. To every son praying for a godly wife, you said he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Lord, write beautiful stories again. Bring homes together. Restore broken families. You are my provider. My God shall supply all your need according to His riches in glory. You are my defender. The Lord will fight for you, and you shall hold your peace. You are my refuge. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Trust you forever. Joseph was forgotten in prison, but the Lord was with Joseph. David stood before Goliath and declared, the battle is the Lord's. Blind Bartimaeus cried for mercy, and Jesus stopped for him. The woman with the issue of blood believed, and your faith has made you whole. Lord, visit every broken heart, heal every hidden wound, answer every silent prayer. When I am weak, my grace is sufficient for you. When I am afraid,